16,000 drones. 1 world record. 0 room for error. This was a challenge for the Guinness World Record.
请回到地址7、6、5、4、3、2、1。
单台电脑控制最多无人机同时升空，15947架无人机，挑战成功。
A spectacle never before seen in the sky. But what people didn't see was nearly 10 days of preparation on the ground. 200 staff members. They endured scorching sun and waded through mud, making over 100 adjustments in just 10 days. Every drop of sweat led to this unmatched moment. This is the glory belonging to high grade.